Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to hub for raw and real automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into something wild, rugged, and built for the extremes. The 2025 Kenworth SnowRider X motorhome. This isn't just a luxury motorhome, it's a snow-dominating beast on wheels. The first thing that grabs your attention is its sheer size and aggressive design. Based on Kenworth's heavy-duty truck chassis, the SnowRider X looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi Arctic survival movie. Its high ground clearance, armored exterior panels, and oversized snow-capable tires scream power and durability. Under the hood, we've got a turbocharged 12.9L PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering close to 510 horsepower and 1,150 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're plowing through deep snow in Alaska or scaling icy inclines in the Rockies, this motorhome has the muscle to get it done. And thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and snow traction control, it holds grip like a mountain goat on steroids. Now let's talk about the interior. Because Kenworth didn't just build this for brute force. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxury lounge that could rival high-end hotel suites. Heated floors, panoramic smart windows with frost sensors, and a full kitchen loaded with energy-efficient appliances. And yes, the king-sized memory foam bed comes with built-in climate control. Tech-wise, the SnowRider X is packed. There's a fully integrated cockpit with a 15-inch touchscreen display, satellite navigation optimized for snow routes, and voice-controlled smart cabin functions. Plus, it features drone-assisted perimeter monitoring, so you always know what's around you, even in a whiteout. One of the standout features has to be the built-in snow melt system. It channels heat from the engine to the wheel wells and lower body to prevent snow buildup, making it perfect for long hauls in freezing temperatures. On the road, or should I say, off-road in snow-covered trails, the ride is surprisingly smooth. The adaptive suspension system adjusts to the terrain in real time, absorbing shocks and keeping everything steady inside, even when nature gets wild outside. The only drawback? Price. The 2025 Kenworth SnowRider X doesn't come cheap. With a starting price well above $600,000, it's definitely for a niche crowd. Extreme adventurers, full-time winter RVers, or those who just want the ultimate cold weather escape vehicle. But if you're looking for a motorhome that can handle the harshest conditions on Earth while keeping you wrapped in luxury, this is it. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Kenworth SnowRider X, right here on Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more real-world reviews. Let me know in the EET comments. Would you take the SnowRider X into the Arctic? Or is this overkill for your next winter road trip? Catch you in the next one.